Okay. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Determinants. The chapter is Determinants. It is the fourth chapter. This chapter determinants depending upon matrix. This chapter depend upon matrices. Okay. And from this chapter you will get 12 marks. 12 marks in the sense what are they? One mark question, one 2 mark question, one 4 mark question, one 5 mark question. Okay. So from this chapter also you will get one 5 mark question, one 4 mark question also. 4 means 6 plus 4. From that one you will get one 4 mark question. Okay, remember carefully. So now we are going to discuss about this chapter. Okay, you already learned matrices, right? So learn well that matrices depend upon that matrix only. This chapter will be. This chapter will be okay. Yes. So first what we have to do? Determinants. We should have to define determinant. We should have to know about determinant. What is determinant and how we have to define that. We will see now. See. So before that, in last year in the sense in first year you already learned about straight lines. Yes or no? Straight lines. So just now for understanding, for defining about determinants, I am going to discuss about for 5 or 10 minutes about that what it is straight lines. Okay, just to see. One straight line I am taking. What is the straight line? A1x plus B1y is equal to C1. Next, A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. These two are two different straight lines. Or you can say these are the system of linear equations. System of linear equations. Why? Because linear means degree 1 only. So then you can say these two are system of linear equations. Okay. Yes. Now this system of linear equations you can write in matrix form. You can write in matrix form. How it will be? Just nothing. It is here. What is x coefficient? A1. What is y coefficient? B1. Here what is x coefficient? A2. What is y coefficient? B2. Here constants C1 and C2. So this matrix, how I am writing in the matrix form? Nothing. It is just write coefficients only. X coefficient A1 from this first equation. What is x coefficient? A1. Y coefficient B1. It is over. Next, second equation. From second equation, x coefficient A2, y coefficient B2 is over. Yes. Next, here coefficients are over. Next, what is there here? X, y is there. So write here x, y. Multiplication form you have write. Why we are writing in this multiplication form? I will explain this one. See, is equal to right side. What is there? Right side what is there? C1, C2. C1 and C2. Okay, just observe here. This is system of equations I have been writing like this matrices. Okay, how it will be? How it will be? If you multiply these two matrices, and equate this right side matrix, you will get the system of equations only. Just see, multiplication means first matrix we have to separate by rows, second matrix columns. So first row, first column, only one column is there. Second row, first column. Multiply here, A1 into x. A1 x plus B1 y. Yes, by first row, first column. Finished. Next, A2 x, B2 y is equal to C1 C2. Right? So these two matrices are equal. Whenever the two matrices are equal, then what do you say? Corresponding elements you can take equal. So what is that one? A1 x plus B1 y is equal to C1. Next, A2 x plus B2 y is equal to C2. So we got same equations or not? So what do you say now here? The system of equations. The system of equations you can write in matrix form. In a matrix form. Remember. So why we are writing it is in the matrix form? Just to determine definition of determinant. Okay. See. What is here? This matrix I am taking as A. Suppose A is equal to matrix A1, B1, A2, B2. Okay, it is 2 by 2 square matrix. This matrix you can take as x. X is equal to x, y. And this matrix I am taking some other matrix B. B is equal to C1, C2. But here we will not discuss about these two matrices. We will use only this matrix. Remember. Okay. Next, see, these two are two different straight lines or not? Yes. So whenever these two are two different straight lines, these two equations are having solutions or not? Yes, these two system of equations having solutions. How many? The system of equations may be one solution, maybe two, maybe three, maybe four. That means maybe one or maybe more than one. Maybe one or maybe more than one. Okay. Suppose this system of equations having unique solution. This system of equations having unique solution. Unique solution means compulsory what they will be. Those will be intersects or not. So these two are intersecting. Then it is the common point. Common point means x comma y. X value, y value, only one x value, one y value is there. That value is only satisfies this line and this line. So what do you say? This x and y only you can say as a unique solution. So that means these two lines are, what do you say, intersecting. That means intersecting means those two are not those two are not parallel lines, and those two are not coincident also. Yes or no? Those two are not parallel lines. Whenever these two are not parallel lines, then what do you say here? A1 by A2, this ratio is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, these two system of equations having unique solution. Unique solution means compulsory those two will be intersect at a point. Intersect means only one solution, right? So where it will be these two are intersecting in the sense these two are not parallel lines, not coincident also, not parallel, not coincident. Compulsory not parallel, not coincident means compulsory those two will be intersects only. Yes. So intersect means when it will be. What is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Just to do it cross multiplication. A1 B2 is not equal to A2 B1. So this one transfer this side. This implies A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is not equal to 0. Observe carefully this value. Okay. That means what it is? This number is not equal to 0. Number is not equal to 0 in the sense, what do you say? If this number is not equal to 0, then what is it? The system of equations having unique solution. Uniqueness. Unique solution or uniqueness. That means this number is not equal to 0. A1 B2 minus A2 B1, this number not equal to 0 means what it is saying? It is uniqueness of the system of equations. Uniqueness. That means uniqueness means unique solution. About unique solution. That means what do you say? This number determines uniqueness of the system of equation. Yes or no? This number is saying to us. Determines means saying. This number is determines uniqueness of this system of equation. Uniqueness of system of equations associated with this matrix A. Associated with this matrix A. Associated with this matrix A. Okay. Why it is associated with this matrix A? Because this matrix you got from this system of equations only. Yes or no? So this value also will get from this matrix only. Just if you multiply like this, multiply A1 B2, right? A1 B2 minus A2 B1. A2 B1. Okay. This value comes from this matrix also or not? Yes. That means what do you say here? This value, the number, this number is determines what it is saying. Determines means what it is saying. This number is determines uniqueness of the system of equations associated with this matrix. Associated with this matrix. Then this value only or this number is only called as determinant of the matrix A. Determinant of the matrix A. This value only is called as determinant of the matrix A. That means how can you define determinant? Determinant means it is a constant value. Okay, this value determines to us this value is this number is determines uniqueness of these solutions. Uniqueness, remember, this number is not equal to 0. Yes or no? This number is determines uniqueness of this system of equations. Uniqueness means unique solution is there. That is the uniqueness of this system of equations associated with this matrix. Associated with this matrix A. Then that number is only called as determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix. So that means this number you brought from this uniqueness of the system of equations. Okay, this number only we are saying as a determinant of the matrix A. Why we are saying it is determinant of a matrix A? This number A, this matrix A comes from this system of equations only. That is why. So that means simply what we can say. What is the definition of a matrix? What is the definition of determinant of a matrix? What determinant means simply I am saying here. every square matrix, it is square matrix or not, every square matrix you can associate to a unique number. Every square matrix, every square matrix every square matrix can associate to a unique number. Every square matrix you can associate to a unique number. That unique number only is called as, that the unique number is only called as determinant. Then the unique number called as determinant. Are you understanding or not? So what is the determinant of a matrix? Every square matrix, compulsory that matrix must be square matrix. Every square matrix can be associated to a unique number. Then that number is only that unique number. That number is called as a determinant. Okay. And suppose here A I am taking as a square matrix. A is a square matrix of order n I am taking. A is a square matrix of order n. Then this square matrix can be associated to a unique number. Then that unique number is only called as determinant of the matrix A. So generally this determinant of a matrix A is denoted by det A. Determinant, first three letters you will take det. Det A. You can write like this, det A, or you can represent like this, det A. This one we should have to read as det A, not modulus. It is not a modulus. This will be det A or delta. So determinant of a matrix A you can write like this, det A. Det A, read as det A or delta. Okay. So here it is not modulus. Remember, it is not modulus. Okay. It is the, what it is? Notation of determinant of matrix A. Remember. So what is determinant of a matrix A, or what is determinant of a matrix A? If A is any square matrix, what must be? Any square matrix. Then that square matrix can be associates to a unique number. That square matrix can be associates to a unique number. Then that number is only called as a determinant. And generally we are denoting by like this, or read as det A or delta. Okay, remember this one. It is about determinant of a square matrix. If A is not a square matrix, means just observe here, 1 2 3 3 4 5. It is not a square matrix. Why? Because how many columns are there? 2 rows, 3 columns. Both are different or not? If both are equal, then that is square matrix. If both are not equal, then that is a rectangular matrix. It is a rectangular matrix. Rectangle form. Just observe rectangle form. Square matrix means what is the square form? See, 3 4 5 6. Square form or not? Yes, it is a rectangle. Rectangle form means, that means you can say as a rectangle matrix. Okay. So here just observe here. It is rectangle matrix. So for this rectangle matrix, you cannot define determinant. That means you cannot write this as associated to a unique number. You cannot write this matrix associated to a one unique number. That is why for rectangular matrices you cannot define determinant. Only for square matrices only. Remember. Okay, now I'm going to find determinants of different type of orders. Here maximum first order you can find, second order, third order matrices, fourth order, fifth order also. But in our syllabus, what is given up to 3 by 3 matrices only. Up to third order matrices only is given. Finding a determinant. Okay, now here first order square matrix. Now I'm going to find determinant of first order square matrix. First order square matrix means suppose matrix A I am taking like this. So A I am taken. What is 1 by 1 square matrix or not? One row, one column, 1 by 1 square matrix. 1 by 1 square matrix. So it is a first order square matrix. So what is the determinant here? This matrix having only one element. So this one you can associate to a single number. What is that one? A only. A only. Okay, next second order square matrix. Second order square matrix. Okay. What is second order square matrix? For example, I am taking like this. Matrix A is equal to, so here A is equal to this one. What is that A? That A is equal to, or that like this also is equal to A. Okay. Yes. The number. Here A, B, C, D. It is matrix A. 2 by 2 second order 2 by 2 order square matrix. 2 by 2 order square matrix. Now we have to find determinant of that A. Or you can say like, you can write like this also. No need to write always 2 2. Any one you can write. Okay. So for example, I am taking like this, that is equal to. How we have to write? Determinant. It is the simple determinant of A, B, C, D. Okay. Here also that is equal to A only. Here determinant symbol like this. It is not modulus. I already told to you it is not modulus. In this only you have to write. It is not also matrix. Matrix means compulsory what will be like this you have to write. Like this square boxes you have to write. Yes or no? Like this square boxes we have to write. But here determinant means this form. Okay, 2 lines. But it is not modulus. Okay. Now next what? How we have to find this determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Nothing it is. Just do it cross multiplication. A into D. AD minus BC. It is the determinant of 2 by 2 square matrix. Just observe here AD minus BC. This is unique number. This number is associated to this square matrix. This number is associated to this square matrix. Then this one only is called as the determinant of this matrix. Okay. So it is one of the example. How we have to find the determinant of a square matrix here? Determinant of A, B, C, D is given. Just do it cross multiplication. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Okay. So just I will take one more example. Suppose B is equal to, numbers I will take. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 1. 4 I am taking. Okay. Yes. What is asking? That A is asking. That B is asking. That B. How we have to find that B here? That B. Determinant of 5, 3, 2, 4. Right? So determinant means cross multiply. First left side, next right side. Okay? Like this. So multiply here. 5 4s are 20 minus 2 3s are 6. So 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 means 40. Okay? Like this. I will take one more. C matrix I am taking here. What is that one? 3 minus 4, 6, 5. No, 6, 2 I am taking. Okay? Yes. So that we have to find. That means the determinant of C we have to find. Determinant of 3 minus 4, 6, 2. What you have to do? Cross multiplication only. Just do it cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 4s are 24. Minus is there. So minus 24. Okay. 3 2s are 6 minus, actually always here you will get a negative value only. Minus here 4 into 6 24. Minus is there, minus 24. Here minus what will be? Plus 6 plus 24. That will be 30. This is constant number or not? This is unique number. This one is associated to this square matrix. Then this 30 is called determinant of matrix. Determinant of matrix. It is the procedure how to find determinant of a 1 by 1 square matrix, determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix. 2 by 2